You've probably heard about the 3-6-9 manifesting method circulating on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. But did you know that this method was popularized by Nikola Tesla? According to Tesla, the numbers 3, 6, and 9 are sacred numbers and you can see them in your daily life. In the popular app TikTok, you can see a lot of manifestation coaches and followers vouching that the 3-6-9 method worked for them. In fact, there are 23.9 million views on the hashtag number 369 manifestation. What about you? Do you have the courage to take a chance on this manifesting method? I have to warn you though. If you're going to do this, you have to make sure you're ready for it. Because the universe and forces of nature does not mince words. Are you ready? Step number 1: write it down. The moment you wake up before you touch your phone and let outer influences fill your mind. Get a piece of paper and a pen and start writing what you want to manifest. Why do you have to write it? Well, writing it on something tangible such as paper supercharges the intention. A quick reminder when you write manifestations. When you manifest, write in present tense. Use an adjective, and describe a feeling. Visualize how amazing it would feel as if your manifestation has already happened. Remove all doubts, and believe that it's coming. I mean truly, deeply believe it. Don't doubt it at the back of your mind. Or you will be counteracting the positive vibrations with negativity. Take note. In this particular method, your manifestation should be 17 seconds long. Here's why. According to Abraham Hicks, American inspirational speaker, author and law of attraction expert, these 17 seconds is crucial to jumpstart and ignite the vibration of manifestation. In this time period you should never let any distractions and doubt come through. Don't worry, this seems jarring at first, but the point of this method is to train your mind. It gets easier over time. Here's a sample manifestation statement. I am grateful and in awe working as a motivational speaker where I make $10,000 a month. I hit all my click rates and quotas creating content and emails that help people find their life purpose. I make my family happy and I am so grateful that my team values me and my efforts. Another sample manifestation statement. I am so grateful that my love has returned. I feel whole again. Our love will last forever, and together we will build a bright future. Thank you, universe. Write the same statement 3 times every morning. As you write, feel every word vibrating in your system and release them out to the universe. Enter the space of receiving. Step number 2: repeat your manifestation statement 6 times. In the middle of the day, after you've had your lunch, write the same manifestation statement you wrote in the morning for a total of 6 times. The point of this is to maintain the high frequency vibration all throughout the day. After you write them, read the statement out loud 6 times with passion and conviction. Step number 3: repeat your manifestation statement 9 times before bed. Before you go to bed, write your manifestation again, this time for 9 times. Followed by reading them aloud for 9 times. At this point, your affirmations will be the last thing on your mind and not your to-do list or what has transpired during the day. This could put you in a high-level receiving vibration. That even in your sleep your brain is programmed to manifest. Tips. You need to train your mind and be in the energy of receiving in order to create the life you desire. By doing so, you are constantly being in alignment with the universe. If you fall back, just get back up and try again. The vibration of receiving is a state when you're all positive and open-minded and you know in your deepest core that what you ask, you shall receive. Don't look at it as a chore or a burden that you have to carry. Do it happily, or it may counteract your manifestations. Closing. When trying to manifest, bear in mind that the best is yet to come. At the back of your mind, acknowledge that there's a setup going on behind the scenes. The universe is executing the shift for your new reality. Keep your heart open and stay patient. I hope you enjoyed this video.